Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day stands out as one of the most anticipated sneaker releases of the season. As the AJ4 continues its strong run in today's market, this women's exclusive colorway highlights how the silhouette can still feel fresh and refined. Dressed in pale ivory, Sierra red, and tough red, the pair delivers a clean yet expressive look inspired by the Valentine's Day theme. The upper is crafted from premium pale ivory leather, providing a smooth and neutral foundation. Bold red accents bring contrast and energy, especially on the eyelets, inner lining, and outsole details. One of the key highlights is the glossy, metallic-like finish on sections of the midsole, allowing the Sierra red tones to stand out even more. Subtle rose-tinted mesh appears on the tongue and quarter panels, adding depth to the design. Finishing touches include a translucent heart-shaped hangtag with a red Jumpman logo. The Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day is expected to release on February 7, 2026, with a retail price of $220.